jou. Uit de grond van mijn hart.
Dit is uw kans. Kom maar hier bij de charlatans.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's go this
I
way.
want a photo of this guy.
When it opens, the queue was at Symbolica.
Yes.
It went all the way there, and you have to wait here.
It was 3 hours, I think, wasn't it? Was it longer?
Perhaps it was 4.5.
4.5, wow.
But we were in only 20.
Wow.
You can hear them knock on their ear.
Was he real? I think he was real, yeah, Mum. Ah. Wow.
Oh, there you go. Hear that?
Knock, knock, knock. He wants to come up again?
Joseph Charlatan, the conductor.
Oh, yes.
He looks
Yeah.
And when you watch at the graves, they all died at the 30th of October 1876.
Ah.
All together. Full
Wow.
orchestra disappeared.
Oh, I wonder if we're going to see that orchestra again.
You will. Have you? There was a door.
Bevindt u zich in een slapende wetenschap?
Wow.